Update 2 on Major Hurricane Delta, which is continuing on its route towards the Yucatan Peninsula and has rapidly intensified since the last time I did an update. The storm is located at 19.20 north, negative 84.50 west, as of 2000 EDT, the 6th October 2020. This is a very serious threat to the Yucatan Peninsula. Delta has winds of 145 miles per hour despite not looking like it, and a pressure of 956 millibars, which is unusually high for this type of storm. The storm is moving west-northwest and a TCR rating 14. Cataclysmic damage possible from the storm as it heads towards the Yucatan Peninsula and will be a devastating landfall there. Distance in miles right now, 194 miles away from Playa del Carmen, 203 from Cancun, 754 from Sarasota, 819 from New Orleans, and 836 from Morgan City. There are no watches, but there is a hurricane warning for Tulum to Tizila, Mexico, and Cozumel, and there's a tropical storm warning for the Cuba province of Pinar del Rio, the Isle of Youth, Punta Herrera to Tizila, Mexico, and Tizila to Progreso, Mexico. In 24 hours, Delta will have weakened after making a devastating landfall along the Yucatan coast. Then it will strengthen in 48 hours as it heads towards Louisiana, and then even closer to Louisiana in 72 hours as it weakens a little bit, and then it will weaken inland and then eventually turn to a remnant low or post-tropical cyclone. That's all I have on Major Hurricane Delta. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. I would also just like to say to please stay safe, stay calm, and stay informed from this storm. This is going to be a very serious and potentially deadly storm to the Yucatan Peninsula, so please stay safe and listen to all local officials. Also, for residents along the Gulf Coast, particularly in Louisiana, you need to be watching out for this storm because this can be another serious storm for you guys.